So we're going to continue our videoing of the installation of this Multican capacitor socket. So then we're going to put our wires together here. So we're going to strip all of the necessary wiring. Okay. And so what I did was you don't want to make a mistake on it. You can't afford to make a mistake on this, all right? So here's what I did. I said, I drew a diagram. That's a diagram. All right. So over here, it's going to be yellow, wire, purple and brown. Yeah, so the yellow is going to go over there to the yellow, purple, and brown. So here's the yellow, purple, and brown resistor that I'm going to connect to here. But the yellow wire is going to go. The yellow wire is going to go there. Okay. So I'm going to open that. I'm going to open that hole. That's where the red goes. Short red is going to go over here. All right. Short red. And what about the other red? That big red is going to go up here. Wow. So big red is going to go here. Short red brown goes out here. Brown goes right here. Short red. And where's long red? Here's long red. Over here. Long red is going to go on it. So short red is going to go in it right here. Short red is going to go in it here. And long red. Here's long red. I'm going to push this all the way under here for neatness. I'm going to thread it. And I'm going to let it go into here. That's where the long red is going. Into here. Big red got to stay right there. Big red goes there. All the wires are there. And then the yellow. Yellow is going to go in here. But I got to open that up a little bit more. For yellow to go in there. Okay. That's where all those wires go. So everything is done. So yellow be right there. And that's it. So now all I have to do is solder everything into place. Now, this is according to my diagram. Now I double check myself by, now this yellow is going to go in, like I said, that yellow is going to go into there. And then the resistor is going to go from here over to here. So that's why I need a good size hole right here, because two things are going to go in there. But I want to double check myself before I do all of that. And the way to double check is I get another 122. Because I'm going to have to do the same thing with this 122. Well, this 122 is already connected. Here is a 122 amplifier. And I can look at this 122 and look at it and see. Make sure I'm not making a mistake. And I see the big red. Here's the big red. Now what I might do is run that big red under here, make it look cleaner. I'll do that. Run it like that. I run it under the black. Run it on down here. Wow. Make sure that big red is in there. There it is. All right, that's where the big red is going. That looks much cleaner now. I'm gonna solder that right there too. Make sure I got a good connection here. Because this is about, look at that. See, that's why it's important to do that. See, that's important. Look at that big red. It was ready to come loose right there. That would have been a problem right there. And it goes right here. That would have been a problem. So I'm going to have to fix, I'll repair that. That goes right there with the yellow. All right. So I'll take care of that and repair that. That's where the big red goes. All right. Then you got the short red, which goes from here to here. The brown goes here. You got the resistor that goes from here to there, and the yellow that goes right there as well. And then the long red goes right there. So those show you where everything goes. No errors, no mistakes. And this is one somebody called himself fixing this, and they made a dog mess. Look at all that. Look at all that. That's a mess right there. This is another one. Look at this. Look at how they did the soldering. This is called poor soldering, Austin. See that? That's very bad soldering. But I was just using that just as a validation check to make sure I had everything in the right location. And I do. All right. So we'll come back with another video. I'm going to solder these in place and then take care of this hole over here and put this in where it's supposed to be. All right. Till the next video, Dr. Kemp. the Hammond Doc. Peace out.